Welcome everyone. In this GATE video lecture, I will solve a GATE 2023 easy question in which we have to find the value of W. Okay, so it is basically based on a complex number problem. So the our question is W to the power of 4 equals to 16j. So which of the following cannot be a value of W? Okay, so these are the four options are there. So we have to find which of the following cannot be the value of W. So three option will be correct for the W. One is the wrong one. So we have to select the wrong one. So we have to find this problem. So it is a very simple problem. So how to start? So before that, we have to write this W4 equals to W to the power 4 equals to 16j. So this J can be written as simply most of we people know cos pi by 2 plus j sin pi by 2 is nothing but simply j. Why? Because cos pi by 2 is a 0 value and then this sin pi by 2 value is 1. So this one is simply our j into 1, that is our j. So we all know this fact. But the thing is that in general form we can write this as a cos n pi by 2 plus j sin n by 2. I am going to write a general form. So this can be written as e to the power j n pi by 2. So this one is the Euler formula and this the value of j can be written like this. Okay. So this one is the important point. J equals to cos pi n pi by 2. So now we have to decide the value. Okay. So we have already know that this value will be always 0. Okay, and so the overall j will be, we can say, it should be follow like this n pi by 2, where this whole term, this term I am again highlighting, this term, this term sin n pi by 2 value will be always 1. Okay, this value will be always 1. Okay, so before that I want to show you one important graph y equals to sine theta. Okay, means if we plot a graph between, suppose this one is equals to y, that is our sine theta, and theta, because this one is very fundamental. And if we draw the graph like this one is just the graph of sine x. Okay, why I am doing, I will tell you. So here what we can say, the value of sine theta is 1, this value is 1, and this value will be minus 1 at this point. Okay, so this point will be pi by 2. Okay, and this point will be 3 pi by 2, this point will be 5 pi by 2, this one is 7 pi. This one is very fundamental and we have to know this graph, sine x graph, sine theta graph or cos theta graph. So now this value will give 1, the value of this will be 1 for this point 9 pi by 2. Okay, so in this point the value will be 1, this one is 1 1, and this one is 1. Okay, like this. Okay, so the n value for the this j sin pi by 2 will lie from the n value I am writing directly. The n value will be either, we can write 1, so it should be n pi by 2, then 5. Okay, means 5 pi by 2. Okay, 9, like this. Okay, so n value is 1, so if sin pi by 2. Okay, 5 pi by 2, again 1. Okay, so it should be j. Okay, so now what we can write, so the answer for this w4 can be written as w equals to 16 to the power 1 by 4 into j to the power 1 by 4. This one is j. Okay. So this one is 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 into one more line I want to write j to the power 1 by 4. So this one is 2 j to the power 1 by 4 is the w value here. So now instead of j, what we can write? Instead of j, better to write this one, the Euler formula, j n pi by 2 into 1 by 4. Okay, don't forget it. So it should be 2 e to the power j n pi by 8, e to the power j n pi by 8. So now when n equals to 1, when n equals to 1, this all are the value of w. Okay, so you can write, not issue. So this w value will be 2 e to the power j pi by 8. Okay, one option will be this. Now if j n equals to 5, okay, I am writing like this. I'm taking some space. So now n equals to 5. So w will be 2 e to the power j 5 pi by 8. Now n equals to 9. The w value will be 2 e to the power j 9 pi 8. Like this it will increase. Okay, the values. Okay, for different for n equals to 1, this one is the value. N equals to 5, this one is the value. And n equals to 9, this one 9 pi by 8. So these are the value. Okay, so 2 to the power e j pi 8 is there, this one is there, this one is also there, 5 pi by 8. So these are the correct value. So we have to select the incorrect value, or which cannot be the value of w. So the value of w will be, the value of w is not possible. This value is not possible. So this one is the correct answer for this question A. Other are the correct one answer, and this one is the wrong answer. So we have to, in the question it is asking cannot be the value of w, and these all are the correct one. This value may be like this, 2 j pi by 8, but here it is j 2 pi by 8, means pi by 4. So it is not possible. So our correct answer will be option number A for this question, because it is asking cannot be the value of w. So this cannot be the value of w. So this is all about this question. So this is very important to know this sign and this Euler formula. If you know, you have to write j pi by 2 simply. Then we can say j sin pi by 2 for other thing. Okay, we are interested in j term, so other term will be 0. Okay, because the cos graph also we have to know. So I just this. Okay, this one is y equals to say cos theta and theta. So it should be, this value will be our pi by 2. At the all odd point it should be 0, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. That's why I am writing like this. And this point will be, as we know, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. So this one is also very important. So we have to know these two curves and this Euler formula. Okay, j sin pi by 2. Okay, this formula also I am writing. E to the power j theta equals to cos theta plus j sin theta. This one is also important formula. So this you can also, you have, if you know this one, we can easily solve this question. This is all about this simple question of GATE 2023 EC. So thank you for watching this video.